Hi, I'm Stuart Charity. I'm the CEO of the Automotive Aftermarket Association, and we're here on the first morning of the 2024 Collision Repair Expo. And what a morning it's been. The show is full, completely sold out. We've got over 400 stands across 5 acres of floor space with the Collision Repair Expo and the Auto Aftermarket Expo. We've got packed crowds. Our pre-registrations are through the roof. We're expecting around 11,000 trade visitors to visit the show over the next 3 days. A big focus this year has been on training and education. So we have some international trainers out here. Robert Snook, who's the international convener of IBIS, is doing training around business management. We've got Dirk Fuchs, who's an international expert on EV repair techniques and also workshop layout. And finally, we've got 2 on-the-floor features. One is the ADAS calibration feature, so we're doing live calibration and we're educating workshop owners and managers on working with the equipment, what sort of equipment you need, whether to do it in-house or outsource, where calibration is required, and so on. And secondly, and again a very topical issue in the industry, we've got a feature called Expo Electrified, and we've got hands-on trainers, we've got componentry, we've got PPE and other things, and it's an education feature to ensure that workshop owners know what's required to set up a safe and effective workshop to handle high voltage vehicles. I'd encourage everyone that's in the collision repair industry to get down here to Melbourne over the next 3 days. We're open Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Entry is free to anyone working in the trade, and it's a sort of event that you really can't afford to miss. An opportunity to see all the suppliers under one roof, network with your colleagues and learn about the future.